Hi guys, let me show you how to make these incredibly delicious walnut and chocolate filled croissants. Okay, so let's start. In my bowl I already have flour. To that add warm milk, yeast, an egg, butter, sugar, vanilla sugar, vanilla extract, and salt. Mix this all together until well combined. Knead the dough for about 3 to 4 minutes until you get a nice dough. Let it rest for an hour. For the walnut filling, in a pan add milk, sugar, orange zest. Bring this to a boil or medium heat. To your walnut add cinnamon and start adding it to your orangey milk. This is the consistency that you should get. Now for the chocolate filling. In a bowl I have butter. To that add cocoa powder and sugar. Mix it with your hand until you have a nice creamy mixture. Work with your dough for another minute or so and cut it to 4 equal pieces. Start stretching your dough out and make an even rectangular shape. Here I have my first dough underneath, and I'm just going to cut the edges of the second dough to make it nice and even. I'm going to place the walnut filling on the bottom dough and spread it out evenly. Place your second dough on top of the first one with the walnut filling, making sure that it's nice and even. Cut equal triangle-like shapes. Gently start rolling them up. Now let's do the exact same thing but with chocolate fillings. Eggwash your pastries with egg yolks. And here is the final result. Now all you have to do is enjoy. They were perfectly baked, very soft and so delicious. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!